Hello friends, my name is Sumit Sandane. I am a civil engineer. I have done my graduation from Mumbai University. I have completed AutoCAD and Revit architecture from Milestone, and I am currently working as a civil intern at Chemionics Private Limited, Goregaon. I got to know about MIT through my friends, and as I researched about it, it turned out to be one of the best engineering software course providers, and I enrolled myself into MIT as the approach of the staff was friendly and professional at the same time. The courses are designed in such a way that they are simple, straightforward, and easily understandable. That you should be familiar with the high-end training but also master the basics, and you should know how things work at industry and how to apply what you have learned. The teaching staff is very experienced and knowledgeable. They proactively addressed my weak points and provided me the useful resources and reliable support throughout the course. The technical support team was very helpful and polite as they cooperated me with my schedules and queries. Don't worry guys, just be consistent, master the basics first, and follow what your faculty recommends. Only bookish knowledge is not enough, you have to experiment. As I didn't have those structure designing skills and drafting skills, which is the current basic demand of civil domains. I am eager to pursue a professional career in construction and development, and with those drafting and structure designing skills along with my good academics, I can have a work experience in commercial, private or industrial sector as well. As industries are overgrown with new technologies in such a short span that engineering colleges lacks to develop a skill set in students that are well needed for such industries. And Milestone provides industry specific courses with live industrial project based learning. My experience with MIT was the best, as the teaching and supportive staff was excellent with good infrastructure and great learning atmosphere. I highly recommend Milestone to my friends to upgrade their skills. Thank you.